Does this ever happen to you? You pick up your phone to do one thing and then 20 minutes later that thing is not only not done, but you can't even remember what you were doing in the first place? That's me. I'm Ian, and this is the Jaye Band. Jaye is a truly minimalist smartwatch because people just want a quick way to get info off of their phone without digging into it. No fitness dashboard, no app store, no color, zero feeds, zero trackers, zero scrolling. Just your VIPs, your calendar, your reminders, your timers. Jaye only buzzes for the notifications that you decide are a priority. Maybe that's calls and texts from the people you just can't miss. Maybe that's encouragement to just get your morning routine in. Maybe that's a reminder to pick up your kids because you lose track of time while making the most of the little time you have to yourself. Maybe that's your time blocking schedule, keeping you on task, working towards your goals. Workout reminders, Pomodoro timers, silent alarms, you name it. I will say, using Jaye for just one thing makes a big difference. Remember, it's not about doing all the things, it's about doing the most important. Let me pause here and give credit where it's due. Most of these ideas aren't mine, they're from the community. When I put Jaye out there, everyone saw a solution to their own phone problem. Personally, I originally built Jaye because I struggled with time blindness and needed accountability to reach my goals. At the time, that just meant getting to the gym more regularly, being late to fewer meetings, and never missing a call from my wife. A smartwatch for me was overkill. It was overwhelming and over-designed. That's why Jaye is 75% smaller than the average smartwatch. That's why Jaye doesn't need to be charged every night. Why Jaye works so well alongside fitness trackers, analog watches, and jewelry. You can even bring your own band. And that's why Jaye lives on the inside of your wrist. It's not for the world to see, it's just for you. So when your priority list needs your attention, you get a subtle nudge, so you know to give it a glance. Because when you feel less need to check your phone, you can just be. Not there, but here. Not there, but here. Not there, but here. It's about retraining your brain that it's okay to be where your feet are. So stop losing time, start making it. Back Jaye today.